Now we can learn type of functions. So four types of functions. One, many one, onto, into. Okay, first one you can see one function. The definition is a function f from a to b is called one function if distinct elements of a have distinct images in b. Okay, different elements, different images we need. We should not choose same image. Okay, distinct element or distinct images, then only it is a one function. Understood? If for all a1 a2 belongs to a, f of a1 equal to f of a2 implies a1 equal to a2. When I define the function, I said to mother-child relation. Here you have to think one child, one mother. Okay, like that way. That is only the one function. If for all a1 a2 belongs to a1 and a2 are different, f of a1 equal to f of a2. If a1 a2 if a1 equal to same means the function value also same. If the values are different, function values must be different. That is the one function. Okay, one function means we must get the distinct images for the distinct elements. A one function is also called injection. It is the other name, injection. Onto we will say surjection. The other name of one function is injection. Then we can see the example. You will understand more than the definition. If we make a call to our friend, at a time one person can call to only one friend. Okay, first call to the C friend, second call to the A friend, third call to the D friend. Okay, we can make only one call at a time. So making calls as a function. Normal call. Okay, it is a function. We can see this example. Okay, it is a one function definition. You can think of this definition or that in word or in the symbolical. For all a1, a2 belongs to f of a1 equal to f of a2 implies a1 equal to 8. If the function values are same, must the values be values same. That is the condition. If it is different, the function value also be different. Okay. If it is different, the function values also must be different value. So we have to think of this definition or this definition. Follow anyone for the questions. Second one is many one function. A function f from a to b is called many one function if two or more elements of a have same image in b. Okay, say in I said no mother-child relation, 2 or 3 child will be in the same mother. Think of that one. It is the many one. One means one mother, one child. Here many child for one mother. That is only a function f from a to b is called many one function if f is not 1. Okay, if is not 1, that is only many one. For example, if 7 persons buy tickets for 3 films, you see, person names are P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7. Films are F1 and F2, F3. Now, this P1, P4, P6 bought the ticket for the film 1. P2 and P5 bought the ticket for the film F3. And P3 and P7 bought the ticket for F2. Okay, so different persons get the ticket for the same film. So it is many one. Okay, next one. You see that condition they given. Since more than one person may choose to watch the same film, the selection of films is many one function. Okay, next type is onto function. The function f from a to b is said to be onto if the range of f is equal to the codomain of f. Range of f means which are the elements are getting images. That is only the range. That must be equal to f. Codomain means all the elements in the codomain must get the image. That is the meaning. Every element in the codomain B has the pre-image in the domain. So from the codomain, all must give the pre-image, or all the codomain elements must get the image. It is the meaning. So for example, in a mobile phone, there are 3 persons in the contact. There are 3 persons in the contact. The calls like this. Okay, they can call to everybody. So first person can call, second person call, then call to say call 1 and call 2, then third person can call C4 and C5. This is not at a time single call, multi calls. So like a conference call, you can call to other persons. It is anyway all the persons can call others. Okay, that is only the on to function. Since every person in the contact receives a call, making calls will be an on to function. Okay, since every person in the contact receives a call, making calls will be an on to function. So that we conclude the example. For each definition you must learn the example with the condition, how it is that particular type. Next one, note for this onto. If f from a to b is an onto function, then range of f equal to b. That is only we learn in the definition also. Codomain range of f is equal to codomain of f. Same we written in the note. Range of f is equal to the codomain b. Range of f is equal to the codomain b. That is f of a. Right, that is range f of a equal to b. Okay, it is in short. What we learn in the definition, that we written in the short in the note. Okay, next last type is into function. A function f from a to b is called an into function if there exists at least one element in b which is not the image of any element in a. The into function at least minimum one element extra in the codomain. That is the into function. Okay, a function f from a to b is called into, it is not onto. The range of f is a proper subset. So, since codomain have extra element, no, so it is a proper subset of the codomain. For example, from a home appliance showroom, there are three customers select the products in the new sale offer. Okay, in the one offer, the customers are selecting the items. So three customers are there. The products are television, washing machine, air conditioner, water heater. But no one select the air conditioner. The remaining products only they selected. So it is a into function. No one prefer buying air conditioner. This sale represents into function. Okay, one item is extra without selecting by anybody, so it is an into function. Then we have another one. It is one of the type only. It is bijection. It means one on and on to together. If any function satisfies, it is a bijection. If a function f from a to b is both one on and on to, then f is called a bijection. From a to b. Okay, from a to b it is a bijection. When one on and on to will satisfy, it is bijection. Bi means two. So both types are satisfying, it is bijection. We have another name for the onto function. It is surjection. Yeah, surjection. For one on function, it is injection. One on function, injection. For onto function, surjection. For if both will satisfy for one function, it is bijection. Okay, don't confuse the names. Next note, a one on onto function is also called one on correspondence. The bijection can say as one on correspondence. Okay, so please learn all the definitions, type of function, definitions for this type with the example. Must you learn with the example, suitable example with the condition. Okay, how it is the particular type. Learn it correctly without confusion. Okay.